I want to create just a really nice face frame on her. A few different face shapes that work really well with the face frame, in my opinion, is a round face, because it just allows some pieces to kind of come around and make the face look a little less short. To create a face frame, you obviously got to determine the length that you want these bits to be. Whether they're back or forward, you got to determine the length. I want it to be right around the jawline. So as I lift a section up, I need to figure out how I can match up the jaw. So if I look at a couple different things, you could bring her hair down. And what I like to do is just take a little piece out at first, come in here, and I can literally just start to work right here, just a soft line right around the face. I can just slide the scissors by half closing right around or just a little bit past the jawline. That gives me those little pieces. But now I want to be able to create elevation so that I have layers throughout the side of the head. I don't want just a face frame. Otherwise, I would just slide it all in. I want to now use this as a guide, and I want to elevate the hair to lighten it up. When you cut a face frame and you slide in, it makes it the heaviest that it's gonna be because there's no elevation in it. If you elevate the hair, you're gonna get a lighter result.